Green tea. Life in Japan wouldn't be the same without it. It's drunk without milk or sugar to best appreciate the flavor of the leaves. The central role of tea in Japanese life is highlighted by the tea ceremony, or chanoyu. Here, everything revolves around the tea, served by the host strictly according to tradition. The chanoyu ceremony uses a special kind of tea called matcha. The matcha leaves are finely ground with a heavy millstone to produce a brilliantly green powder with the deepest possible flavor. The city of Uji lies to the southeast of Kyoto. About 800 years ago, tea growers were attracted to Uji because of the mild climate produced by these gentle hills. It was here in the 16th century that Japan's distinctive powdered green tea matcha was born. Tea growers covered their plants in cold weather to protect against frost. Finding this also improved the flavor, they experimented. By blocking the sunlight to control the rate of photosynthesis in the new buds, they reduced the bitterness of the tea, making it both milder and more full-bodied. Senno Rikyu, most famous of tea masters, established the tea ceremony tradition in the 16th century. At this time, matcha from Uji was considered the highest luxury. By the 17th century, Uji was sending annual tributes of tea to the shoguns in Edo, present-day Tokyo. The heavy jars of tea were carried to the capital in a formal procession. Chashi, or tea blenders, continue to improve the quality of matcha. At this establishment, they've been blending tea for 450 years. Tea is a plant, so left to nature, the quality and flavor will vary year by year, even for leaves from the same field. We have to carefully tune our process all the time in order to maintain a uniform taste for our teas. This is done by special blending methods, handed down through generations of chashi. Through their secret blending methods, today's chashi maintain Uji's position as the source of premier matcha. Every October in Uji, water is drawn from the Uji River for a special tea ceremony, held to honor Senno Rikyu and the great tea masters of old. Today we can enjoy the taste of matcha not only in drinks, but in many kinds of foods too. This Ryote restaurant uses matcha in many of its dishes. And tourists to Uji delight in the range of matcha-flavored sweets and desserts on offer. Uji, birthplace of matcha, still plays a key role in Japan's culture of tea.